Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add subtitles to your videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do first is import your videos. As you can see, I have already imported one video. This is an image which you can just ignore. Once I've imported it into Clipchamp, this is on the website or on the web browser. By the way, you can download it standalone for your computer, but there are limitations depending on the subscription you have, but that's pretty much it for the basics. What you need to do once you've uploaded it, just drag it and drop it into the timeline, and from the timeline you can start editing your video. Now, what you can do, you have two options. You can go to the captions in the top right, click transcribe media, and then you can transcribe it to the language of your choice. But what you can also do, if you want to add custom text with custom animations, you just go into text, click on text, and or drag it here into the timeline, or drag it on the screen directly. I'll drag it into the timeline like this, and now you can add any text you want. You can format it in whatever way you want. You can choose the font, you can choose the font style, you can select the text to edit, and you can change the size, the color, whatever you want. I'll change it to red just because you can see it very well on both backgrounds, so that it's always visible, as you can see here. And all you have to do is write the text that you're currently speaking, or that is being spoken in the video, and then make sure that it correlates to the video that's being played down below. If I drag this pointer here to after the text, as you can see, it is gone from the screen. But if you want it, or if you're still speaking the text after that, you need to prolong it by clicking and dragging it out like this. And if I move the pointer now, as you can see, all the way up to 34 or 30 something seconds, it is present in the actual video, and afterwards it is gone. So you just need to play around and make sure the text is showing when the actual text is being spoken in the video. And that is pretty much how you can add your subtitles. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.